talk about entitled Empirical Study of the Relationship among Self-Control, Price Promotions, and Consumer Purchase Behavior. The purpose of our study is as follows. The purpose of this paper is to study the influence of price promotion and self-control on consumer purchase behavior of vice products by using shopping pass data and post data. Because no one has studied the impact of these impact on customers' behavior at the same time. And at first, please consider which dessert you want to eat. In my case, I'd like to eat chocolate cake because chocolate cake is delicious. But however, chocolate cake is fat. So I have to choose fruit, or I resist to eat them in order to keep the weight. So as this example, a consumer consider her choice when she is shopping. So this psychological effect cannot be ignored in the study of customer purchase behaviors. In addition, price is an important factor affecting customer purchase behavior, especially on when, what, and how much to buy. And price promotion is an effective way to improve retail sales. However, because different customers have different choices, so the sales volume of different products are different. From this point, a definition about batch and vice products was proposed. When delayed utility like healthy of this product is larger than another, we call this product as a relative batch product. And when immediate pleasure like delicious taste of this product is larger than another, we call this product as relative vice product. In the area of marketing, we find there are only 3 studies using post data to research the effect of price promotion on customers' purchase behavior of vice and batch products. We will introduce several of existing research. First, research in 1998. 1998 used 1 year's post data from a supermarket in Chicago. It is found that customers are less price sensitivity for vice products than batch products. On the other hand, research in 2014 used 2 years post data from Spanish supermarket. And it found that due to reverse consumption self-control, customers' price sensitivity of batch product is higher than that batch products. Well, why do two studies have the opposite conclusions? That they all mention self-control, and also proved that self-control has an effect on customers' purchase behavior, but they didn't quantify it. So what is self-control? here are some differences. The definition of self-control is as follows. People will consume some psychological resources when they control themselves. We call the resources as regulatory resources. Regulatory resources are limited. Therefore, as time goes by, the decrease of regulatory resources cause failure of self-control. What will lead to the decrease of regulatory resources, and how can we measure the decrease of regulatory resources? So, in the existing shopping is walking around in the store will lead to decrease of regulatory resources. Therefore, the time spent in the shop is an important factor affecting the decrease of regulatory resources. And the existing study used the time it took customers to go from the entrance to the target area to represent the depletion of regulatory resources. So as shown in this figure, and in the install time is passed, the regulatory resources decrease. And how can we get the customer install time? In this study, we use RFID tags because in recent years, because of the development of RFID technology, it is extremely easy and cost-effective to obtain information of customers' in-stock paths. So to have a better understanding of shoppers' in-stock behavior, our existing study divided the in-store purchase process into visit, shop, and buy. The visit means that a customer visits selling areas. The shop means that customer shops in the selling area and carefully pick the product. And finally, buy means the customer pays for the product and obtain ownership of the products. Existing study has done only empirical study using past data to demonstrate the effect of regulatory resources reduction on customer purchase behavior of unhealthy food in the store. Using data both shopping past and post data, they found that the longer customers stayed in the store, the more likely they were to shop in the confectionery area. So, after reading the above studies, it is discovered that no one has studied the impact of price promotion and self-control on customers' behaviors at the same time. So, this paper will combine the above these to study the influence of price promotion and self-control on customers' visit, shop, and buy behaviors. Then we will introduce each element of our framework. First, this paper only studies rice products. Confectionery is one of the products that can easily cause impulsive purchases. It can easily cause self-control failure, and we found that potato chips were the top seller in confectionery. Therefore, the study will take potato chips as the target goods. Second, yes, we use the definition of self-control as follows. We use the time it took customers to go from the entrance to the target area to represent the degrees of regulatory resources. Third, when the unit price of some product is lower than the regular price of the product, we say this product has a price promotion. Finally, we divide customer shopping path data into visit, shop, and buy decisions, and analyze the effect of price promotion and self-control of these three decisions. To collect the customer shopping path data, we conduct an experiment in supermarket in Osaka. The period of the experiment is about 1 week. And we installed RFID tag underneath shopping carts to track customers' in-store movement. And after experiment, we record 4,233 shopping paths. And for the above elements, we make assumptions about these separately. Firstly, we assume that the less regulatory resources a customer has the stronger his or her tendency to purchase vice products impulsively becomes. We prove the hypothesis H1 from shop and buy behavior. H1 the less regulatory resources a customer has, the stronger his tendency to be in shopping mode in the confectionery area becomes. And H2B is about the hypothesis about buying behavior. And so do H2 and H3. And in H3, we consider the interaction between regulatory resources and price promotion. And we use logistic regression model to test the hypothesis. We use these two dependent variables, the probability that the customer I choose to shop and buy tips is two dependent variables. And we use three independent variables. One is about price promotion, and the second is the time, instant time as to represent the regulatory resources, the degrees of regulatory resources, and third is the interaction between price promotion and self-control. These tables show the result of logistic regression. In the left table, the left table shows that in the left table it is found that the instant time has significant effect on the shopping behavior, and from the right table, we found that the price promotion has a significant effect on buying behavior. So hypothesis H1A and H2B are supported. Meanwhile, the result proves that the interaction between self-control and price promotion has no cross impact on customers' purchase behavior. So we can obtain our conclusion from the result of model. Firstly, at first, the longer the time is the longer the time is, the less regulatory resources there are, and the customer's ability to control her and himself get weaker and weaker. So therefore, it is get easier for the customer to shop at the confectionery area. Secondly, if the product is promoted, it will greatly arouse the customer's desire to make impulsive purchase. And customers who have already been in the selling area are more likely to buy products when the products have a price promotion. So this study gives us some implications. At first, this study provides us reference for future research on customer purchase behavior of bad products. Secondly, when the customer stays in the store for a certain period of time, she gets fewer regulatory resources left and weaker self-control abilities, so she will be more likely to shop in the selling areas. At this time, if there is a price promotion, the temptation makes it easier for customers to buy in selling areas. And in terms of supermarket floor layout, as concerning that customer self-control will become weak after a certain period of time. Market managers should arrange sales promotions in the second half of a customer shopping path, like these areas. There are some limitations in this paper which need to be discussed in the future. So for example, the study only selects the chips and the study of the objectives so that the model applicability is not good enough. And self-control and price promotion have many factors effect on purchase behaviors. So in the future works, we have to discuss the effect of this. We discuss the several factors on customer purchase behavior based on our framework. These are the reference of our research. Thank you for your attention. Visit is just a customer exists in the area. And shop means a customer stay in that area. So we use the definition of existing study.